Learn all about caring for a dog. Many kinds of dogs exist, as do many kinds of families. Knowing the type of dog that will fit your family, along with how to care for your breed of choice, is a huge decision. Continue watching if you want to be sure that you're taking care of your pet properly. Whenever you travel with your pet, don't skimp on the packing. Of course, you need to be well supplied with his food, water, and any medications he may be on, but experts advise that you also bring his grooming supplies, vaccination paperwork, tags, and an extra leash. Also, bring a flat sheet for when your dog will be on hotel furniture. Keep on top of fleas. Not only can fleas cause infection in your dog, if one is swallowed, your pet can get tapeworms as well. Speak to your veterinarian about the best prevention method, but remember that this is not a one-shot deal. You will have to continue your efforts over the life of your pet. When giving your dog a bath, make sure that you only put on shampoo that is intended for canines. Using lukewarm water, get the entire body wet and then begin applying the shampoo to their face, working your way down their body. Wait a few minutes and then take a washcloth and wipe off the suds from your pet's face. Wash off the rest of the shampoo as well. Do you have a wrinkly dog, like a bulldog? If so, you have to be conscientious about the grooming process in order to help keep your pet clean. After you brush, take a baby wipe and use it to get in between the folds on their body. Make sure, though, to get them fully dry after doing so. Since watching this video, are you more aware of what it takes to properly care for your dog? This video should have helped ease your worries about your dog care. Use the information that you watch here to ensure that you have a happy, healthy family dog. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.